दोस्तों, आई एम श्योर आपको पहले का पार्ट 1 पसंद आया होगा हिपोस का। और अब ये वाला जो भाग है, ये आई डोंट वांट टू टेल यू, यू विल सी इट योरसेल्फ। इट इज़ रियली रियली अमेजिंग। क्या ऑसम सेटअप है यार, क्या शार्क्स है। जिस तरह से उन्होंने इतना बंदोबस्त कर रखा है, वो भी रियल ओशन वाटर और उनका रियल हैबिटेट, ताकि वो मरे ना। और इट्स जस्ट स्टनिंग, जस्ट सिंपली स्टनिंग, वेरी वेरी नाइस। सो लुक एट इट नाइसली। और आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आपने अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों से भी कहें सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, व्हेन यू शेयर इट विद देम। और लाइक तो बनता है ना, इज़न्ट इट? डोंट आई वर्क फॉर यू? ओके। और अगर कुछ और भी जानना चाहें तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू। एंड ये वाला जो पार्ट है, मैंने सिर्फ शार्क्स तक का ही बनाया है और काफ़ी लंबा वीडियो है ये, कंसिडरिंग दैट इट इज़ ओनली फॉर ऑन शार्क्स एंड ऑल अबाउट शार्क्स। एंड ये you just see it, watch it till the end, you will really enjoy it. God bless. I thank you for watching my videos. Love you.
So this is just amazing.
It's just amazing.
Absolutely amazing jellyfish. My God. Look at God's creation. Oof. Terrific. Man, just wonders. God's wonders. Look at this. My God. You know, these are actually very dangerous for humans on the beaches. If they attack you, you are screwed.
It hurts.
It hurts like crazy. It pains. It can immobilize you. They are beautiful to look at,
So,
but you can't swim with
very
them.
interesting animal.
Yes, they are. They serve the ecosystem. So transparent, but lethal. They are poisonous. This is another kind of jellyfish. How awesome is this? So nice. So bonita. La Isla Bonita. Or wonderful and wonderful. This time I'm enjoying with a different awareness. So there is a lot of literature. Please, you know what to do. Freeze it, pause it, pinch it, zoom it, read it. ये पानी के डायनासोर. Spider crab. Dolly Chiho Rhino chops. क्या क्या चीज़ें बनाई हैं ऊपर वाले ने. wolf eel. Hey, look at this khatarnak wolf eel. My God. ये देखो नीचे कैसा खौफनाक बैठा हुआ है, कैसा खतरनाक लग रहा है, एकदम डेंजरस डेंजरस फेलो. वुल्फ ईल. और उसके राइट हैंड साइड में देखो, दोज आर ऑल्सो लिविंग थिंग्स, यू नो. वो नूडली नूडली लग रहे हैं ना, हेयरी टाइप्स. Wow. See this? Guys, this is the first baby shark. Oh my God. Look at these fellows. Oh, look, the other shark. Oh, that fellow went away. He's just sitting here. Oh my God. Oh, there's one more. Oh. Fellow went away. Antique lumpfish. Oh. Look at that. These are lump sharks? Oh, starfish. Wow.
I'll have to show you a picture of the picture that Michael sent me.
The rise of super predator, mighty megalodon. These sharks are actually here in the aquarium. I'll show you. दोस्तों, megalodon, the largest shark that ever lived. This is the actual thing of the shark. Sharks of the world. You can please freeze, zoom and see it. Parrotfish, sand tiger shark, sandbar shark, nurse shark, blacktip shark, gag grouper, booster hawkfish. Here they are, the real sharks. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, look at this. 6 sharks together. 7. Hi dosto, this is literally being under the sharks. Wow. Look at that. See this? Awesome, beautiful. Isn't that so nice? Look at that. How awesome is this? Wish you were here. Come.
Look at the show. Oh, you do. A lot of fish. Look at all these fish. They don't eat them right away. They're not hungry. They can't eat them.
Look at that guy. Look at the sharks.
Lots of little fish.
Yeah, and you have here that's interesting. I wonder why.
No,
I wonder if it's eating time.
no jacks.
Oh wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, the little gray reef sharks are the ones that are the ones that.
Wow, look, 3 of them. That's the 4th one. Oh wow. Oh. So please read this. When sharks attack. How nicely they have constructed it. On the other side, you can actually see the tables and chairs. That's a premium restaurant. And the restaurant has a complete wall of this view. So nice. Wow. Really? Whew. I hate this glass reflection. Oh my god, look at this. Whew.
Here, where are you going?
This really is a huge aquarium. Awesome. Huge fellows. Oh yeah, there it is. I'm fishing for the sharks. You see one there underneath? Oh, there it is. Where else? There it is. Yeah. One more. I can see that. Yeah. Right under us. Yeah. Wow. I hope we catch more shark. Yeah. Man. आपको शार्क के नीचे से दिखाया, नीचे का भाग जो देखना वैसे नॉर्मली वेरी डिफिकल्ट, अभी शार्क को ऊपर से दिखा रहा हूँ। शार्क के नीचे के पुर्जे दिखाए, अभी ऊपर के देखिए। वाह, here it is. लिटरली अगर ये रस्सी टूट गई ना, मैं सीधा शार्क के मुंह में जाऊंगा, शार्क के पानी में। सो नाइस। ये शार्क के ऊपर के भाग देखिए। इतना नज़दीक से सच्ची में ओपन शार्क मैंने नहीं देखी थी कभी भी पहले। देखना असंभव है कि आप खुली शार्क के ऊपर हो। ऐसे रियल लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम। ओ माय गॉड, oh, look at that. Ooh. This is something wonderful. You can actually literally touch a shark. So let's go and touch it. Wow. These are some sharks that you can touch. Wow. sea turtle world. Hey, you can actually literally touch. You see these? These are some khatarnak types baby sharks. They're actually harmless. They're not khatarnak, but they're very nice. Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! My shit, man! Very rough skin. I touched it. Let's see if I can touch this fellow. Oh my God! Shit! My whole sleeve is wet. Oh, that is stingray. This one.
Some of the interviews also talk about Cambridge professor Stefan Halper. He's a contact from teenage Carter Page and George Papadopoulos, all of which has been known for several months, but we're getting new detail now. So it's big picture story here, Bill. We're getting lots of colors. So
Hey man, hey, that's my head.
information continues to undercut the legitimacy of this bill document. We now know that the intelligence
Shit, there's
document,
another one
of
more
the intelligence documents that supported the launch
Let me touch it. Good shit. Oh my God. There's so many of them over here. Okay, let me. I got it. Oh shit, man. I can't grab them. Wow. So today I can say I caught the shark by its tail, literally. Wow. These are awesome, man. Very nice.
Okay, as Grant states, the bicycle of life. Why do you think it's taken us so long?
They are all so crowded here. Again, one more. They are all in the corner.
Hello दोस्तों, I'm sure you will like this shark part. And did you really like it? मैंने शार्क को आपको कितने एंगल से दिखाया है ना. सामने से शार्क का पिछाड़ा, शार्क के नीचे का पार्ट, शार्क के ऊपर का पार्ट, ऊपर से नेट ब्रिज से चलते हुए आप ऊपर से देख सकते हैं. वो टनल से शार्क का लोअर पार्ट आप फिजिकली रियलिटी में तो कभी भी नहीं ये देख सकते थे, isn't it? So it really is interesting, isn't it? और तो और बेबी शार्क्स को पूंछ भी मैंने हाथ से पकड़ ली. It's very nice. इसका जो आगे का पार्ट है, जो पार्ट 3 है, that is also really stunning. I don't want to tell you. It is a mystery, but better than this. Can you believe it could be better than this? It is. So look forward to seeing that and expect only the best out of me. और दोस्तों, अब तक अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. अपने दोस्तों से भी कहिए सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए when you share it with them. And like तो बनता ही है, isn't it? And anything you need to know, please कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए and I'll definitely get back to you. I love you and I thank you for watching my videos. God bless you. Take care. Shabak Khair.